In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a resume to your Wix website. Whether you're creating a professional portfolio, a personal site, or a business website, having your resume easily accessible can help you stand out to potential employers or collaborators. Wix makes it simple to incorporate a downloadable resume directly onto your site, so visitors can access it quickly and efficiently. Throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, ensuring that you know exactly how to set this up, even if you're new to Wix. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional resume button added to your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website editor page. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be able to make edits and add new features to your site. If you're managing multiple sites, just make sure you've selected the correct one before proceeding. Now that you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a vertical toolbar with various icons. What you're looking for here is the plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is essentially the Add button in Wix, and it's where you can add all kinds of elements to your website. Once you've opened the Add menu, hover your mouse over the Buttons section. This will reveal a series of button-related options you can choose from. Buttons are a great way to make your site interactive and user-friendly, and in this case, we're going to use them to link to your resume. From the options that appear, select Document buttons. These are specifically designed for linking downloadable files like PDFs, which is the most common format for resumes. When you select this option, Wix will automatically add a button to your page for you to work with. Next, it's time to customize the button. You want it to align with the overall look and feel of your site. Click on the button to open the customization options here. You can adjust the design, change the label, and modify the size. For example, you might want the label to say something like "Download my resume" or "View resume." Make sure it's clear and inviting for your visitors. Take a moment to also choose a color and style that matches your site's aesthetic. This small detail can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. With the button styled to your liking, the next step is to link your actual resume file. Click on the Change File option. This will open up Wix's file management system, where you can manage and upload all the files needed for your website. Once the file manager is open, click on Upload Media. This will bring up the Media Manager where you can add files from your computer. Now drag and drop your resume file into the upload area, or if you prefer, click to browse and select the file directly from your computer. Make sure your file is in a common format like PDF, which ensures compatibility across devices. After you've uploaded the file, give it a moment to finish processing. Once it's uploaded, double-check to confirm that the file is properly linked to the button. You can do this by previewing the button and ensuring it downloads the correct document when clicked. And that's it. Your resume is now ready for visitors to access directly from your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.